Here's how to add a custom JavaScript site-wide in Unbounce. In your Unbounce account, go to the Settings section on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Under Settings, click Script Manager. This will take you to the Script Manager page where you can manage and add scripts. Now click Add a Script. When prompted with the question, "What would you like to add?" select Custom Script instead of Google Analytics or other options. Next, give your script a name. It can be anything that helps you identify it later. Then click Add Script Details to continue. On the next page, you'll see two important settings. Placement. Choose where you want the script to be placed on your page. You can select before body end tag, after body tag, or head. In this example, we'll choose head. Next one is included on. Decide where the script should be applied. You can choose between main landing pages, form confirmation pages, lightboxes, or select all to make it site-wide. Once you've made your selections, scroll down to the script box and paste or type in your JavaScript code. After that, go to the script usage section. Here, you'll choose which domains or pages the script should apply to. Select the domains or pages where you want your custom JavaScript to run. When you're done, click Save and Publish Script. Unbounce will now apply your custom JavaScript site-wide based on your selected settings. Once the script is published, you can visit any of the pages or domains you chose to confirm that the JavaScript is working correctly. And that's how to add a custom JavaScript site-wide in Unbounce.